been shooting my whole life, ever since I can remember. A good friend of mine got me started into the long-range shooting. Just started the competition stuff. Actually, it's my first one. So far, it's a lot of fun. I love hearing the steel ring and the challenge of the wind, and just picking your right hold. It's an absolute blast. So.
Engage. Engage.
All right, here's a look at our day one scores. You can see here Group 1. Steph Bostwick led this group with 57 hits on day one, followed closely by Matt Anderson. On day one, the winds ranged anywhere from about 10 miles an hour to a high of about 18 miles an hour. We only had a couple of showers all day long. We were very fortunate. The rain never really developed. There were showers all the way around the course, but nothing heavy. I think our group got rained on probably twice for about 3 minutes total. Here's a look at the day one scores for Group 2. Ryan is leading this group with 72 hits, followed closely by Morgan with 67 hits. And Dustin and C.L. Turner are close behind him. Group 2 probably had the most experience of any group. They had at least 4 guys that had a fair amount of match experience, and it showed on their scores. On day one, there were 5 stages out of 11 that were cleaned. Stage 1, Stage 3, Stage 5, Stage 6, and Stage 7 were all cleaned. Stage 1 and Stage 6 were cleaned by 3 people each. Stage 3, 5, and 7 were only cleaned by 1 person, the same person. Here's the day one scores for Group 3. The group was led by Jason Garvey, and then followed closely by Jeremy Brown with 57 hits. The day one scores for the last group, Group 4, has Lance Eccles in the lead in that group with 43 hits.